Arigitani mirongo itandatu aria marare mugomo-ini kwa ihinda ria ciumia 2 kaunti-ini ya Laikipia ni marugamitio wira thutha wao kwaga gucoka wira na thutha wa itua ria igoti kuuga mugomo uyu ndurari mwitikiriku kiwatho. Akianirira itua riri ngavana wa Laikipia nderitu muriithi aigite gutirari na gitumu kiiganu kia arigitani aya kugoma na gutiga muingi utari na motungata na mararihagwo mbeca iria maiguithaniirie.
The normal administrative processes of separating from an officer who has absconded from duty apply. And therefore, a number of medical officers were on Friday served with their dismissal.
Muriithi ni ongereire ati mieke ya arigitani thibitari-ini cia Laikipia ni ikwanirirwo niguo kuihuria mathenya maria matigitwo ni arigitani aya.
The specialists, as you know, were being paid 350,000 shillings per month, while the comparator professionals earn between 65 and 120,000. Now, we have to promote equity as an organization. But in any case, we simply do not have the resources to be able to accommodate the wishes of the specialists.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia arigitani ruhonge-ini rwa Laikipia Bimshi augite ni mabacabithitie marua tariki 24 mweri-ini wa gatano megie mugomo ucio na kunengera ngavana Muriithi indi akirega gwikira kirore. Ona gukiri uguo arigitani aya ni maugite kihoto kiao gitina rumirirwo kuria moritie thirikari ya Laikipia kwambika mitaratara mirumu ya kwaraniria na aruti a wira thirikari mbere ya gutacokia makinya o mothe.
Thank you.
Maundu matikoretwo mari ngurani kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga kuria thirikari kuma kaunti-ini ino irandikire arigitani na njira ya kandarathi thutha wa arigitani kuiga miro yao thi kwa ihinda iraya. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Wanjiku.